Hey guys, today I'm here with a new RGB LED halo headlight and fog light combination. You have two different control systems when it comes to these. You're going to have a remote control that you can see here with a number of different buttons and ways to scroll through the different modes. And you're going to be able to kind of switch between whatever type of color you want or any type of different pattern. And you can do that, or you have an app on your phone that gives you all these functions in even more detail. So here you can see the remote control that gives us a number of different options. You can switch between different colors, and then you can switch between different modes. This is the auto mode, and you can scroll through to get all of the different ways and features that you can use this remote. So here we've got the Pro RGB app that gives us a number of different color options here with this wheel. So you can get really specific with this that you can't exactly get on the remote control. You can really pick between very specific types of colors, and you can save your favorites here. And if you want, you can go to the mode section, and then you can see a description of all of the different types of modes. So we go choose this one: red background, green reverse flow. So no matter how specific you want to get with it, you have, let's see, a total of 178 different patterns. And with this you can adjust brightness and you can adjust speed. Just take that down, and then you can slow that down, and you can adjust brightness here as well, so you can tone it down if you like. You don't want to be too bright. And then you can also adjust mode here as well. So you've got another mode as well, which is a music mode. This is going to sync up with any type of song that you have. So anything you have loaded up, you can get it to the app, and then you'll be able to make your headlights match the song.